Hey guys,
No.
what's up? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jerianna Janae, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this cute blunt cut bob. It is a quick weave, yes. So if you guys are not like into using glue or using heat on your hair, like on your natural hair, then this might not be the video for you, and that's okay. But I'm gonna show you how I get these looks because they're like super easy, super quick. It just work easier for me because I'm not all into the lace frontals and stuff like that. I would like to get into that, but I don't know how to do that. This is what I know how to do. This is the old school way. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I've already braided my hair. I did make sure that I did this on clean hair, so make sure that you wash your hair before doing this. I then went in with some of my tea tree oil from OGX just to oil between my braids, so that way it's not dry under the cap, because it is going to be a lot of glue and, you know, spritz and stuff like that. So I don't want to actually like break my hair by doing this. So I want to just make sure I'm oiling in between. And then I'm going to go in with a wig cap that I got. It was like 99 cents at the beauty supply store, and I just do one. Some people do two caps, but I like one because I feel like if you do two, then it doesn't really stick to your head as good. So I just do one cap, and then I'm taking my NYX little crayon pencil, and I'm going to use that to just outline where my leave out is, so that way I don't end up getting glue on my real hair. And then before I actually start gluing any hair in, I like to use Pump It Up spritz spray. For me, I've been using this for years when I do my quick weaves, because I just feel like it works better and helps the tracks stick to my head or stick to the cap a little bit better. So the hair I'm going to be using for the quick weave is the Milk Remy hair. I believe it was like buy one get one free, so it was like $30 for the hair altogether, which isn't bad. And I didn't want to use like really expensive hair because it is a quick weave. I will be using glue, so I'm not going to be able to really reuse it again, but I did get two packs of 10-inch hair. So before actually gluing the hair in, I always try to lay the track up against my head just to see how long I need the piece to be, and then I'll cut the weft, and then I will put glue on the track and then glue it onto my head, so that way I'm making sure that it's the right length. Okay, so because the steps are going to be repetitive, I'm just going to stop talking and I will let you guys just watch and see what I do. I will come back towards the end of the video once I start to do other things, but for right now, I'm just going to let you guys watch this and just see how it all turns out. Alright, so now that all the hair is glued in, I'm just pinning my hair back out of the way so that way I can cut away the excess cap. Alright guys, so now that the cap is all cut away, it is time to flat iron my leave out. Yes, I know, it's so bad. Some of you guys are probably cringing and scared of this, but it's okay. My hair is already heat damaged, as you can probably tell, but that's okay because I'm probably gonna have to do a big chop. It's gonna be coming soon, but for right now, we're gonna focus on this quick weave, okay? Alright, so I did use some of my OGX tea tree oil again to use it as a heat protectant, and then here I'm just parting my hair section by section and flat ironing each piece. Again, I do want to state that if you guys do not agree with using heat on your hair, that is totally fine. I'm just doing this because this is what works for me to get by when I want to have a new hairstyle, and because I'm not into all the frontals and closures. I'm slowly getting into wigs more, but right now I'm still kind of in the process of still doing quick weaves and things like that. So if this is something that you're not into, I totally understand, but for me this works, and for other girls that are the same as me and just need hairstyles like this is perfect for them. So if you guys do like this, then I would say by all means try this method. Alright, so then to tame any of the flyaways that I have, I'm going to just take my edge booster stick and I'm just going to use that across the top of my head and then take my brush to comb those pieces down. it is time to go ahead and cut this bob. So I went ahead and just cut like the front of the one side so that way you guys could see how long I wanted the bob to be. But I will say I did not cut this myself. I had to get help. So I'm actually gonna just get this cut off camera, but I did want to at least show you guys the length that I wanted my bob to be. So the last and final step for this bob is just flat iron. Why can't I say flat iron today? I don't know what's going on. Flat ironing the bob. So now that it is all cut, you're just gonna go ahead and bump it a little bit just so that you're creating a little bit of a style with it and it's not just straight.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is how everything turned out. I didn't expect it to be anything less than this because this is what I always do. These are like my go-to styles, like quick weaves, because I know how to do it. It's easy for me. So if you guys did like this video and liked how I got this look, then make sure you just like, comment, and subscribe on the video. I would really appreciate it if you do. Thank you so much for watching again, yet another video, and I will see you guys in my next one.